What's up, guys? Welcome to episode 1 of Cooking with Eli. I'm not a professional chef or anything. I'm halfway through making breakfast, but thought I should treat you guys with a little treat and treat you with some content. Hello, Elijah Vlogs. So, I'm using these eggs to eat, and I've got this homemade bread. Well, not homemade, but like we bought it from a good source. And I'm going to toast that up. I have some bacon and some Gouda cheese. Ooh. This is getting a little bit hot. Let's wind her back a little bit. I cook with cast iron because aluminum pans give you Alzheimer's. Stainless steel probably isn't good for you either, but cast iron is the crap for your health. It is so good for you. A little bit of extra calcium. This is the Gouda cheese. I don't think my mom has a cheese grater. Just so odd. Who doesn't have a cheese grater? And they scammed me with this bread. Why is there such a big hole in it? Like, what the hell? See this shit? That's like 20% less bread overall. And this piece is all right, I guess. There's still like holes through it. Let me see if this is real bacon. Oh yeah, I think it's the good stuff. Dove Song Dairy. Shout out to Dove Song Dairy. They make very good produce. I can't open this bag. It's a retard. Oh, it's already open. Oh, shit. So I'm making 2 sandwiches for myself, and they will be of utmost quality. I'm thinking I'm going to... a little update on these eggs here. Damn. So I'm thinking I'm going to cook the bacon next, and then I'm going to toast these little bread in the oil, and it will just come out delicious. Oh God, looks like a pancake. Oh, okay, this needs to go off the burner. It's getting a little bit hot even for me to touch. Oh God, I made it go too hot. See, that's the issue with cast iron, is it get hot fast. See, the egg has like a little bit of burnt on it, but I don't mind. If I was cooking for Gordon Ramsay now, that would be a different story. I'm probably gonna make another egg real quick. Just to account for... Why didn't you open correctly? You're gay. That thing... Oh my God, look at all that eggshell in there. I mean, I'm all one for extra calcium, but I mean, come on. Damn it. Oh. There's like a ton of eggshell in this. And I can't get it out without burning my fingertips off. Like in The Walking Dead, when Daryl had to cauterize his lost hand. Lost hand, I mean, what am I saying? This is probably the first time I've cooked in like several months. Usually my mom makes me breakfast, but she's not here because it's Thanksgiving break. I guess she's off getting work done grinding, and I'm just at home doing nothing of value. This thing is hot. The thing I hate about electric stoves is that they just like aren't as good. Like gas stoves, you can't get anything better. Maybe like a charcoal grill or something for taste, because that stuff actually improves the taste, and that's really all that matters. But a gas stove is just functionally easier than electrical stoves, and they are not as expensive. Like electric stoves is just such a waste of electricity. It's like a billion volts. Not really, but like it's an excessive amount of volts. It's burning! I forgot to put on more butter. No! And it's also going to be very difficult to clean these because you don't use soap on them, or that ruins it, because the way cast iron works is its pores open up, and whatever you've made before, some of that taste goes into what you've made now, so that makes it just adds flavor to your future meals. So if you add soap, then your food's gonna start tasting like soap. So you do not add soap. To wash it, you like boil water in it and scratch out all the egg and crap that's in there, get out all of it, and then you go in afterwards with a little towel covered in oil. Okay, this egg is done. It's leaking everywhere. Damn. All right, now we add the bacon. This is some very good bacon. This Dove Song Dairy, they make the best bacon. Oh, I'm gonna make all of it. Like usually when you get bacon, it sucks. And people who say they love store-bought bacon, they are lying, because they are just so consumed by the media. See how hot this thing is? And I have the burner at like 1. And this thing is still so hot because it maintains so much heat because of the way it is. That's one of its characteristics of cast iron. Cast iron is expensive though. Not everybody can afford it. So I don't know about copper. I don't know, because like there was a while that America as a whole was using like copper non-stick appliances, but I don't know what the downsides to copper is. I know aluminum is bad. Tin is probably all right. Stainless steel is not that bad for you. But cast iron would be the best. Like cooking in a cast iron over like a wood burning stove, like a cherry wood burning, like, or not even a stove, over a wood burning fire. That's probably the best method to cook a meal, to just get taste. If you just want taste, it won't be the easiest way to do it, but it'll be definitely the most flavorful. One time, I had Connor Reber and the gang over, and we were sleeping back at the Elijah log cabin, which has since fallen over. If you see my TikToks, you'll see what happened. It's fallen over, but we made like this giant steak. Like his dad went all out. He bought like this 32-ounce massive ribeye, and he seasoned it and everything, and then we cooked it over the fire, and we cooked it rare. And oh my God, it was so good. We forgot appliances, so we were tearing off flesh with our bare hands and eating it. It was so cool. We ate every ounce of steak, and Connor was even chewing on the bone afterwards, if that is anything to tell you. So here's the bacon. This video is getting a little bit long. I'll just post another video of taste testing it. All right. Bye-bye.